Hello. Hey guys, today we are filming. Today we are gonna play MM2. Yes, sir. Yeah. So we need to go here. Someone said that if we could find them, they will give us a godly. Let's go. So let's see if that's true. Okay guys, the round is starting. Yeah, yes sir, bro. Let's go. Oh bro, your classmate. Oh yeah, my classmate. Let's go to her. Okay. Go to her, bro. Okay. Oh my god. My classmate is freaking. Oh, she's so annoying, bro. Okay, the round starts. Yeah. Where are you, Quinn? Bro, okay. I'm here. In the tunnel. Kill my classmate. No, okay. Let me get. I'm gonna kill whatever is in the way. Rebooting soon as I am enabled. Go kill them. Yeah, I'm a pro. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna kill you. Something. Once you get the sheriff, let's fight. Okay. You're gonna die to my power. Yeah. Kill my classmate. Yeah, because you're too big. I'm gonna kill your classmate. She's here, bro. Okay, let's go. Go kill her. I'm gonna kill me. Yes, I killed your classmate. Yes, sir. Now I have to kill that girl. Oh, wait. I'm cooked. You need to sacrifice me. Wait, I'm going to be in your front. Yes. Now get it. I sacrificed for you. No. I'm gonna revenge you every sin thy way. I died, guys. This is the next round. This is the next round, guys. Bro, twin.
But they still trail like 22.
Bro, it's slow. No. May punta ka dito. Huwag ka magpasagay. It's okay. Okay, bro. Go in here. Where? Oh, here? Yes, here. Why do you want that map? Oh, I love this map. No, I got innocent. Bro, where are you at? Yun yun.
Sarap tikman mo.
Ayoko!
Ikaw hindi kepan, ayaw nga niyan yan. Gawin din.
Rustic Tagalog. I'm coming there, bro. I'm coming there. I'm coming outside.
Is so strong. He's stronger than he even looks. And then that left hand of his, he just has the ability to navigate.
Go in the tank. Oh, in the tank? Okay. Who's the bird? I don't know. We are twins forever. Let's emote. Let's hit the... What is? Let's hit the... No, the... Go! Hi, guys! Yes. That's for our intro. Yes. Yes, we did. Bro, I'm gonna sit.
My classmate is there. Wait, let me.
Is your classmate?
Like it's Jokic.
Bro, look, it's like we have
Pivot to himself.
4 wings.
Brunson.
That's so cool.
Yeah, bro.
Right now,
We're the best.
Yeah.
Let's point at my classmate.
Okay.
Wait, I'm going to do it.
I'm going to do it. I'm gonna emote. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's point to our classmate.
No, your class, my classmate.
Oh wait, yeah, I forgot. Let's point to your classmate.
Vassell saves a good hustle from Vassell.
Go!
Great way to get back on the defense.
Yay! Oh no!
He died. He died. He died.
Oh no! How dare you! Who is the murd?
We died forever and ever.
Yes, we die at the same time.
Hey, go here. Where are you?
I'm here.
This is up top.
Wait.
Wait, I need to charge.
He tries another three.
I need to charge.
Fournette checks in. Hart tries a three. Hart hits a three.
Okay, let's go.
Strike points.
This is so cool.
Someone climbed.
Yes.
Point, bro. Let's point.
Okay, let's point.
Oi.
I'm lagging so bad.
No, you. Bro, that's not.
I hate Alter J. Okay.